Good evening from InvestSharp.com. It is Sunday, March 7th, and this is Randy Smotone with your weekly watch list. We're going to start off with a few ascending triangles here. First is CVX Chevron. You could buy it over Friday's high of 74.47 as long as it has some volume with it, or you could buy it on a dip back down here near the uptrend line. It would be even lower risk. Obviously, if it breaks down, then you need to get out of it. Next is FST. Forest Oil. This one actually broke out right here, but it's got a tight consolidation, which is typically bullish, so you could buy it over the high of this day, which would be 28.80. Next is Hess. Hess kind of broke out a little bit here Friday, but watch it over Friday's high at 61.58. You could buy it, or buy it down here on the near on a dip to the if it gets down here to the uptrend line. Either way. Next, we're going to have some symmetrical triangles. First is ABX. Draw a little triangle there. So it actually broke out here. Nice tight consolidation, which is typically bullish, so you could buy it over Friday's high of 40.66. Gold continues higher. Agrium AGU. This one, lots of volume here on the breakout. Here actually was right before the breakout, but now another night tight consolidation. You could buy it over the Friday's high. Talking one might be good. Caterpillar. This one's got a another symmetrical triangle here. Hasn't really gone anywhere. It's just kind of sitting here, so you could buy it over the high of 60. Gold Corp, another one that's right up against its downtrend line, bearish line, so you could buy it over Friday's high of 40.65. International Paper. This actually had a symmetrical triangle. It broke out here with volume. Now it looks like it's kind of got it working ascending, so kind of a combination of a symmetrical triangle. Already broke out at a tight consolidation, so you could buy it over the high of about 25.60. Pot. This has not, once it broke out of the symmetrical triangle here, it's just in this tight consolidation, so I guess it could go on the consolidation list, but it's another tight consolidation. But watch it over Friday's high, you could buy it. Total, TOT, right up against the downtrend line. So obviously if it breaks out above this downtrend line, you could buy it over Friday's high of around 57.82. Especially it's got a little bit of volume started coming in on Friday too. Vail. This one's actually already broke out, but it consolidated, then went higher. So it looks like it wants higher prices. So you could probably buy it, and it'll probably get back up to 32 would be my guess. You could buy it over the 30.73 of Friday. Just keep your eye on it. It's been pretty strong. It seems like it wants to go higher. Zions. Financial stuff's been doing pretty well, so keep an eye on this one. If it breaks out above the downtrend line, about $19 or so, or obviously it's a triangle. Watch for a breakdown. They can usually go either way. Silver Wheaton. Silver's kind of started making a comeback last week, so you could buy it over the Friday's high of 15.85, or here at the uptrend line for lower risk entry. And of course, if it breaks down below the uptrend line, then get out of it. Plum Creek, another symmetrical triangle. Got some volume starting to come in. You could buy it over Friday's high of 36.84. CBI actually broke out there a little bit Friday, so it would be good to buy over Friday's high of 22.41. Devon Energy. This one is in a symmetrical triangle. Hasn't broke out yet. Volume started kicking in Friday. They started trying to sell it off, and then they bought it. So I would say about over about $70, 70, 50 or so, somewhere around there. You could buy it. So here's some strong stocks. They're consolidating. Chipotle Mexican drill consolidated. Consolidated, went higher, consolidates, go higher. Now it's consolidating again. So watch it for the next move higher. GMCR, same way. Green Mountain Coffee broke out here, kind of had an ascending triangle going. Now it's nice tight consolidation, so watch it for the next move higher. Pin Growth Energy, another one, it broke out. Now it's kind of in this tight little range, so you could buy it over the high of 1108. High here, looks good. Here's some stocks that have already broken out. Rhino, been playing this one for a while, playing a lot of these. So it broke out higher here, and now it's just, pretty lower volume here when they sold it a little bit on Friday. So you could buy it over a high of 24.85 right there. So watch Rhino. Manpower, nice breakout Friday, nice big candle. So that's looking good for some higher prices. MasterCard broke out Friday, is looking good for some higher prices. Sunoco broke out of a symmetrical triangle here. It's been really strong. Just peaked up there, so possibly you could get it on a dips, but watch it over Friday's high for some higher prices if oil holds up. AK Steel's been real strong. It already broke out. Lots of volume here. Broke out Thursday, but it seems like it wants to go higher, so maybe you could get it on a dip if we have a little bit of a pullback here in the next day or two. EQR. Come on, charts. Nice breakout there Friday. Looking good. China Telecom. This one broke out above its downtrend line right across here. Come back, touched it, bounced off of it, so watch it for some higher prices. CPX, another one that broke out. Come down here, it's still consolidating right around the support area 15. So that looks good. We like tight consolidation. Roll. Lots of volume, breaking out higher, so you might watch it, see if it, flagged, went up, may flag again, so keep that one on your list as well. VPrint, nice little tight consolidation after breaking out, so it's still looking good. Watch for the next move. GIL, Gildan Activewear, nice big volume here. As long as it holds at 25, should be good for higher prices. Retail's been doing pretty well. Nike, same way. Broke out, tight consolidation here. Watch it for some higher prices. Unum Group, broke above the downtrend line, lots of volume. So you could buy it over the high of 22.25, or of course a dip back to here. CSFG, China Fire and Security, big volume, nice breakout Friday. So watch that over Friday's high. VQ, nice volume here and a breakout, looks good. Emergent Biosolutions, big volume breakout Friday on earnings, I take it. Panera, big breakout Friday. A lot of the restaurant stocks have been doing pretty well as well. Kimco Realty's been doing pretty good. Broke out higher Friday, so keep that one on your radar. Here's a couple of near breakouts. Amlin. So it's touched, got to hear it touch, rejected. It's still holding this uptrend line, so watch that uptrend line, but it seems like it wants to go higher, so keep that one on your radar. APA, looks like a little inverted head and shoulders possibly here. Come down, retests 105. When he went higher, so over Friday's high, you could buy it at 107.46. And AIG has broke above its downtrend line here, consolidate sideways, and then it wants to go higher. So you could buy it. The next buy point would be over about 28.62, or this high here of about 22.30, and it's got some more volume coming in. So keep AIG on your list. Then here's snapshot there, quick. There's the list I kind of went over. There's lots of stuff out there. I just covered some, but remember, we're overbought, so don't get yourself in too many of them, just in case the market pulls back some. So, but if it's a setup, take it. So that's really all I have, And thanks for joining me, and good luck trading this week. Thanks.